Hello, in this video I want to show you how to generate a UUID in Excel using Python programming. But before I show you how to do it, I just want to tell you what it is and why you need it. So a UUID, which is a universal unique identifier, is very useful in Excel for allocating payments to invoices or reconciling accounts. So I just want to show you quickly the best way I use to create them, and I'll show you up in a follow-up video shortly how to use them. So the first thing you need obviously is Python installed, which is very easy to do. So you can just Google or ChatGPT how to do it quickly. It's a small file. Don't be intimidated. So the first thing you do is you navigate to your command prompt. Okay, then you type Python to activate the Python program. Then you import the UUID module. Then to generate a UUID is as simple as print UUID.UUID 4 brackets, and there you have one UUID. So then if you want to put it in Excel, you just highlight the UUID, control copy, go to your Excel sheet, paste it. So then why it's effective, because the other ways to generate a UUID as well. You can go via internet, Google and ChatGPT and all these things, but I find this is because if you want to generate, say, 10,000, so you just go for, let's say, U in range 10,000, print UUID.UUID 4, close the brackets, and there you have 10,000 UUID generated, which you often use. Example, if you want to allocate a UUID to every bank statement payment, that's an example I can give you quickly. So let's just let it generate the entries quickly. It's still running through the generating at 10,000. So let's go and copy the 10,000 to Excel. So you just select the first section, drag your cursor down, shift, highlight them all, control copy into Excel, control V, and there you have 10,000 or 9,000 entries generated. So it might not make sense now what it is, but it's amazing when you hear about something how you can suddenly find use cases for them. But I'll show you, as I say in the video shortly, how you can allocate payments to invoices or receipts to invoices to your customers, or you can reconcile accounts. Extremely useful once you know how to use them. So that's all for this video. If you like what you see, please click the like button below, subscribe to receive future videos, and thank you for watching.